Good afternoon, children. We will start by 1:40 p.m. So, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? All good? Hey, I'm good. Thank you. How is everybody? Well, good. Okay, that's good to know. So, again, welcome to the workshop. So, welcome to 13th day, right, Sushma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to the 13th day of the workshop. So, how is it, everyone? Did you try yesterday's activity, Shai Panda? How many of you have tried? How many of you tried yesterday's Shai Panda activity? You tried. Okay. Great, great, great. So you got the output. You all got the output? Yeah. How was it? Did you enjoy the activity? It was just amazing. Good to know that. Good to know that. So you all enjoyed it, right? Yes. Good, great, great, great. Actually, you know what? In Scratch, even though you're not doing machine learning, we can do activities with that video sensing. Let's see if we have time today. I can quickly show you that. Okay, let's see if we have time today because we already have to complete 2 activities. So we will start. Okay. So again, we have Sushma ma'am here with us. She's ready with the quiz for today. So let's see what she is like. She prepared for you guys for today. So that will be at the end. And we are going to start the session. Anybody who's here for the first time, you made a calculator. Good, good. That's nice. So anybody who is here for the first time, you don't know what is happening. Anyone? You're here for the first time? Okay, so I'll just tell you what the session is about and I'll just briefly explain what we are doing. Okay, so this session is for coding. So we are doing coding for the past 12, 13 days, right? And what we are going to do is we will be teaching you how you can do coding and how you can do artificial intelligence AI part. So previous classes, if you have missed, you can just see the YouTube link which will be provided. You can check the previous video recordings and you can just try to create your activity by your own. If you have any doubts while creating any of the activity, we have a doubt session at 7 p.m. every day. So you can join the doubt session and the teacher will be guiding you how you can do all these things. Okay. So don't worry on that. And then I hope you all have created account in the LMS and you started doing the work. Yes. So let's start with today's topic. Before that, just quickly revise what we have done yesterday. You made an age converter app. Great. Good job. Good to know that. Okay. So what did we do yesterday? Who is going to tell me? Which activity did we do yesterday? Which was the activity? Shy Panda. So everyone remembers Shy Panda, right? Because it was more fun. Am I right? It was kind of a fun activity for you. Where the panda will dance and when we like peep, he will stop, right? Good to know. And card and cup. Yes. So how the computer recognizes or the AI part, the robot recognizes 2 different images, how we can do all those things we have discussed. I'm just sharing my screen. Anybody missed yesterday's class? Who is here today? Anybody missed yesterday's class and who has joined today? Anyone? All of you were there yesterday. Cool then. Yes. Okay. Don't worry. So those who missed, you can watch the recording and try to learn that. Okay. So I'm just sharing my screen. I just asked because yesterday's class was more fun, right? Yes. So I'm just sharing my screen. I hope you can see the screen. Right? So we completed the coding part, we completed app lab. So we created many applications and we have done all those things. Then we moved on to artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, we have first created a chatbot. The chatbot is nothing but it will react to you. It will say answers whenever you're asking a question. Then application programming interface where we did happy sad dog. So when you give a good comment, the dog will be happy and it will react. When you give a bad comment, it will be bad, like it will react for that. Like that we have done. Then yesterday we did 2 activity. One was card and cup. So we came to do machine learning. So quickly, can you tell me what are the 2 parts which we discussed in AI? 2 concepts which we discussed in AI. Anyone? I told you, if you take machine learning as a whole, something will come inside that, something will come again inside that. What was those top 2 topics? Anyone who remembers? Everybody is with Shaipan. Not front and back, it's all over. App lab is over. Okay, I'll tell you. So when you talk about AI, machine learning comes inside that and deep learning comes inside that. So how many types of machine learning are there? How many types are there? Machine learning. Who remembers? Yes, 4 types. Can somebody tell me all the 4 names? All the 4 names. At least one or two. Go ahead. 4 types are there. Got it. So which are the names? Which are the 4 types? Everybody stick on to phone. Not artificial intelligence. I'm saying inside machine learning. I remember telling you when your art teacher is there coming to your class, keeping a drawing in front of you and telling you just draw it like that. But next day the teacher came to the class. Yes, supervised. Excellent. One is supervised. Which is the next one? Supervised is what we are doing. We are just guiding. Semi-supervised, yes. Unsupervised, yes. One more is there. Last one. Who remembers? Something starts with R. Excellent. Reinforcement. Correct. So supervised is when we are giving every detail to the computer. We are just training it properly. Same as unsupervised is we are not at all doing that. The computer tries to learn by itself. Semi-supervised is some kind of mixed labeled and unlabeled data. Reinforcement is also there. Great, 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 great. Good to know that you all remember the topic. Great, great. So one more question. So can somebody tell me which component in Scratch or which extension in Scratch we use to detect our like camera in your Shy Panda activity? Which extension, not webcam, what is the name of that extension which is there in Scratch, which we used to detect our video in the Shy Panda activity while we were like peeping? How you can add that thing, how you can do that camera part in Scratch? Which extension you have to use? Not website. What was the great? That's the 4 type of ML. Great, great. My question is, when we did Shy Panda, I told you that our camera, our video should be detected there, right? So which extension of Scratch we have used to do that? Correct. Video sensing. Good job. It's video sensing. The extension we have used is video sensing. So we have used video sensing to detect. And which kind of sensing or which kind of method, like, because we did text based and all those things in machine learning, right? So yesterday, what kind of recognition we have done? In Shy Panda activity or in Cars and Cup, which kind of recognition thing you have done? What based project was that? Anyone? No answers. What recognition it is done? What was the recognition? I'll give you a clue. Text, image, numbers, sound. The system recognized what? Image, correct. We did image recognition. Done, done. Good job, good job. Now let's move on to today's topic. If you get enough time at the end, maybe I can quickly show you video sensing a fun activity. Okay, if time permits. So good, good, good. Thank you so much for the answers. So are you all ready for today's topic? Say yes or no. Ready? Yes. So today we are going to, as I told you yesterday, today we are going to do sound recognition. Okay. So sound recognition is nothing but we are going to train the machine with our sound. So if I am telling the character to go in that location, he will go to that location. So basically what we are trying to do is sound recognition. So ready? Cool. Okay. So let me take. Okay. So there is two kind of recognition: sound, speech recognition and voice recognition. Can somebody tell me What is the difference of these two? What is speech recognition and what is voice recognition? Any guesses? No? No guesses? Not at all? Okay, I'll tell you. See, when you do Hey Google or Alexa, correct? It will react to your sound, right? Hey Google, if you have activated Hey Google in your phone, and if I am coming to you, like I am taking your phone and I am saying, Hey Google, will it respond to me? Will it react to me? It will react to me, yes or no? I can do Hey Google in my phone, but if in your phone you have Hey Google, so when I come to your phone and I'm saying, Hey Google, will it react? No, actually, because when you do Hey Google, it is recognizing both your speech and voice. Voice recognition is nothing but, or sound recognition is nothing but your voice is recognized. So you might have seen in movies where somebody will say the passcode and the door will open. So it is like Honor's voice is said. Yes, correct, Anil Kumar. My voice is recognizing, right? Now, second is speech recognition is something but like this Hey Google, right? Again, coming to Hey Google, it will only react when you say Hey Google, right? So that is the speech. Hey Google, I have to say Hey Google to get the recognition, right? That is the speech. That is not Warner's voice. Thing like this. I'll give you another example. Okay. So think that your parent is sending you to some other location and you don't know that location, and your parent or your father or mother told you that you have to go in that particular area, you have to go to that place. Okay. And then somebody will come and collect you or somebody will come to pick you. So you are like asking, how will I know who is the person, how will I know who will be coming and collecting, or how will I know who is coming to picking up, because I don't know that person. Then your parent is saying, your father is saying that, okay, so use this code word, some code word they are saying. The other person will come and say that code word to you. You can just go with that person. You got the story? You got the story, what I'm trying to say? So your mother or father is sending to you to a some place, and you don't know which place it is, you don't know that place. So you're asking who will come and pick me up. Then your mother or father is saying that, okay, you have to use this particular code word. The other person will come and asks you this code word, then you can go with that person. Correct? So there it is not voice, because you don't know the other person, you don't know what their voice is. This is the code word, the speech there, right? So if you're saying like, okay, they will come and say parrot. So whoever come and says parrot to you, you will go with them, right? Because you don't know other person, whoever it is. So that speech is what is recognized. So this is speech. Yes, Manpreet, you have a question, please raise in the chat. Anybody? Any question on this? What is speech recognition? Do you understood the difference between speech and voice? Voice is I should say, hey Google, or my voice is recognized. Speech is like whoever is saying it will work. It is the text it is recognizing. Are you clear now? Do you want me to explain again, anyone? You didn't understand. Okay, Manpreet, think like this. Have you seen these movies where there will be a door and you have to tell the password? Say, for example, some number password you have to say. Okay. So in that case, your voice will be recognized. You have to go and say the number. Correct? So that is your voice is recognized. Okay. But in some cases, not the voice. Whoever say the number, the door will open. Right? That is that text is recognized. That speech is recognized. Now you got it? Any questions? Should I explain again? Is it clear? Can I go ahead? Okay. Yes, Ritika, what happened? Is it clear or you want me to explain again? little bit doubt. I'll explain one more time. Have you heard this old Arabian Night stories where there is a treasure is inside a cave where there is a door, and when you say Jim boom ba, it will open, something like that? Have you heard of the story? Have you heard of the story? Yes. So this Jim boom ba is the code over there, right? So whoever come and say Jim boom ba, the door will open. Correct? It doesn't work with the particular person. Jim boom ba is the code. When you say Jim boom ba, it will open. That is speech recognition. Just trying to work with speech recognition. So I'm saying in older times also you had speech recognition. Okay. Now, next is you might use Hey Google or Alexa. Yes. Hey, you might use Hey Google, Alexa, all those things, right? So there, when you say Hey Google or when you say Alexa, do this, your voice is recognized. I can't come to your house and talk to Alexa and do something because your voice is recognized. You have to be there. Now you understood the difference? Cool. Great. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So what is speech recognition? Speech recognition is a capability that allows a program to translate human voice into written format. Okay. So basically it will work speech to text. It will convert your speech to text. Speech recognition is one such technology that enables AI to add comfort to its user. This new technology allows voice messages to be translated to text. So whatever you are saying, it will be converted to text. Okay. We have done text to speech in code.org, right? You remember play speech command where whatever you are writing, it is converting to speech. This is the other way, speech to text. Okay, so it is using in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, wherever, Echo, Siri, Google Home, everywhere this is using, right? Speech recognition. Now, difference between speech and voices. The focus of speech recognition is the translation from a verbal to a text. That is, whatever is the text, it will translate and check whether this is correct. While voice recognition only attempts to identify an individual user's voice. Okay, whoever is the user. Is it clear? So let's go with the activity. So today's activity is more like, you can see the image over here. Can you see? So in this image, you can see a character. Okay. So when I say hotel, he should go to hotel. When I say gas station, he should go to station, like that. Okay. So let's try this. So this is the machine learning platform. You know that, right? I hope you all remember this. Going with try without registering, clicking on try it now. So which kind of recognition we are doing is sound. Okay. We are going to do sound today. The activity name is secret code. Any questions, please raise that in the chat. Now it is sounds. I'm clicking on create. Yes, Vansh, what happened? You have a question? Cool. Going ahead with the activity. So there are train, learn and test and this. So one thing you have to be very careful is whenever you are doing sound-based projects, okay, I'll just show you. The first block is already there. Can you see the first thing, which is background noise? It will be already here. Okay, so background noises, your system or the computer should identify background, your voice from background noise. That is why first we record all the background noise, then we will go for the training part. Okay, so I am clicking on add example. It will recognize with my like my microphone, and don't say anything, okay, because it wants to recognize the background noise. Do not say anything. Okay, just be there. I have added 8 example as normal. So add example. Next one. You can see I'm not saying anything. So whenever you are recording background noise, don't say anything. Okay. And the last sample. So we have done all the 8 background noise. Next, in my activity, my character should move depending on, like, if I say hotel, he should go to the hotel. If I say gas station, he should go to the gas station. Okay. If I say church, he should go to the church, like that. Okay. So I am first going with hotel. Okay. So I'll say hotel. Okay. You can give any secret code also, like see something like secret code so that he can move. I'm going with hotel. You can try whichever way which is comfortable for you. Hotel. I'll say 8 samples of hotel. Okay. Hotel. 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 Done. Next is gas station. Gas station. Gas station. So I am recording my voice. Okay. Gas station. Gas station. Gas station. Gas station. Gas station. Gas station. Okay. Next is church. Okay. Church. 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 And last, church. So you saw that. So we have done eight samples of different words, right? So next is, what is the next process? We have to test it, train, learn and test it, right? So that is next. It is training now. Give it some time. Actually, if you want, you can do any place as you wish. Okay. It's not necessary that you can stick on to this. Now going back, making it. Let it open. So again, you guys remember yesterday we took the template, right? So this activity also we have template. If you want, we can make use of the template. But if you want to add a character, you want to add the background, you can do that also. Depending on you, you can add a backdrop and you can do it. I am going ahead with project templates. So these are like sound-based projects. So I am clicking on sounds project. 1 second, please. Okay, so next you can see the secret code is the activity which we have to do. So I'm clicking on the secret code. Okay, so I didn't do stadium, let it be. Okay, so whenever you start secret code, you see when I hear hotel, when I hear gas station, when I hear church, what you have to do. correct? So whenever we start, you can see a character over here. Can you see the character? So he is in the center. So whenever we are starting, when green flag click, I'll just do this. 1 second. Let me just add the template one more time. Okay. So you can see a character over here, right? So when green flag click, what will happen is we are creating a rotation slide. Rotation style means nothing but it should change which direction. So it will just do left and right. That's it. Okay. If you don't want, you can skip that. Okay. Rotation is basically, otherwise, when we make him go in that direction, he will turn the entire way. That is why we are going with a rotation style. Okay. So rotation style means what you have to do is come to motion. You will get the block from here, rotation style. So that is, he will be like this. He will just turn like this or like that. That's it. He will not go upside down or anything. Okay. Point in direction 90 is where whatever is his point, he will be pointing in that. I have given a starting location and he will say, where should I go? Okay. So first what you have to do is while you do the coding, first thing is train your machine learning model. Okay. So when you train the machine learning model, it will take some time to get the training. So what you will do is we will take a control block. Okay. Take the wait until, okay, wait until secret code is machine learning model ready. So that means it will check whether it is ready to use. Once it is ready, you can make him say where to go, or else you can take directly this. Where to go. Okay. So once he is ready, he will ask where to go. Okay. And here you can see the blocks, go to hotel, go to church, go to gas station, right? So so here you can see go to gas station means he will come like this. This is the gas station. Okay. This is the gas station. Now go to church means he will come here. This is the church. Now go to hotel means he will come here. This is the hotel. Okay. Is it clear? Ma'am, it should be ask, I think. No, it's not ask. Ask means you have to type something. If you use the ask block, you have to type something. But we are not going to type something. We are going to say something. So that is why it's not ask. Okay. Now, here when you come to secret code, you can see. So attach the start listing also. Okay. When I hear hotel, when I hear gas station, when I hear church. One second. Okay. So when I hear hotel, what should happen? He should take the block, go to hotel. When I hear church, he should go to church. When I hear gas station, he should go like this. Okay. So how will you create this block? Like this, you can create, go to church, for example. Okay. After that, you can click on OK. You will get define go to church. So in the define go to church, you can give the code what he should do when he here for like go to church, right? So what he should do, we can give it here. Just 1 second. Okay. So what did we do? So when you click on go, when it here hotel, it will go to hotel. Church, it will go to glide to that location. Gas station to gas station. So what did we do in the code? When I hear church, take the go to church. When I hear gas station, go to gas station. Those blocks are attached. Okay, let's try this now. So you are clear, right? So this is gas station. This is church, this is hotel. So let's make it big. Okay, so once he is ready, he will say where to go. See, this much time it will take to do the training part. That is why. So let's start. Once he says where to go, we can just say. Church. He's going to church. Did you see? Okay, hotel, gas station, hotel, church, church, gas station, hotel. Did you see how he is moving? Okay, he is moving somewhere. Okay. Can you see that? So whenever I am saying, the character is moving according to that. Okay, in between he is confused because I'm saying something which he can't recognize, right? Which is he's not trained. That's why he's going here and there. Correct? So again, church, hotel, gas station, gas station. Good. You understood how it is done? How it is recognizing? Yes? Sushma ma'am, can you please unmute yourself and say church or the locations yourself?
Church, church,
Different.
gas station, gas station,
Okay.
hotel,
Thank you, Sushma ma'am.
hotel.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So what happened here is her sound is not the one which we recorded, right? Actually, it works with whoever sound. Maybe it is not detecting the mic. That is the reason, because normally it detects it is detecting the speech only, not the voice. So if you are trying, you can try with your friend also. Make your friend say something and try whether it is moving. Okay, got it? What this activity is? Any questions? Anybody wants me to repeat this again? All clear? Okay, I'll just explain this one more time. What did I do? I came to the project template. I took the template. Okay. And in the template, you can see the character is there. The backdrop is there. If you don't want the template, you can directly go there. Like you can draw the template where you can add your locations and you can make the character do. It's all up to you. Okay. Now, when green flag clicks, set rotation style to left to right. Point in direction 90. Point in direction 90 is the like this. He will be pointing. This is 90. Now I'll just show you what was the different. See, if you're not pointing, he will rotate like this. Can you see? That is why we are pointing in diagonally and clicking on this face-to-face arrow, left, right, so that he will just change like this two sides only, even though you are rotating. Otherwise, what will happen is if you're not doing this, if you're taking the rotate, he will rotate like this while moving. So just keep it like this. Use the middle one, okay? So that he will just move like this only. Got it? Next, what will happen is we are giving a starting location. He will be starting from here. Then we will do train new machine learning model. And we are waiting until the model is ready to use. So wait until the model is ready to use. Once it is done training, it will ask where to go and it will start the listening. So all these blocks you will get from the machine learning code. Okay. Then what we did is when you hear hotel, what should happen? When this guy here hotel, we have given the code that go to hotel, point in direction -90, and you can just glide to that particular location. If you don't want to use this separate block, you can directly give the code here itself. Like when here hotel, here itself, you can make the glide block and directly do it. Okay, that is also fine. Now when here church, here I have given what should happen when he hears church, and go gas station also, so that the character will go accordingly. Is it clear? Any questions? Manpreet, I guess that's you can just reload and check. Okay, the sound. Yeah. So to submit this activity, you can take the screenshot of this particular page and submit it. Okay, you know how to do it, right? Either you can do screenshot, either you can do snippet, whichever is the easiest way, you can try it. Cool. You understood this activity, how the speech is working? Any questions? Any questions in this activity? Anyone? Is it clear? No. Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next topic which we have today, which is supervised learning. Correct? Can somebody tell me what is supervised learning? Can somebody tell me what is supervised learning? What do you mean by supervised learning? Mind. What is mind? What is supervised learning? Being seen by other? No. Fast reading? No. Learning? No. Anybody? Supervised learning is nothing but you are training it with a subcategory of machine learning. Yes, okay. Supervised learning is nothing but you are training with the proper label. You are training a machine with proper labels and everything. What we are doing is supervised because we are giving all the labels, right? We are training it properly. If you're not training it properly, what will happen? It will not give you the correct results, right? International learning. What is international learning? Okay, cool. I'll just share my screen. Okay, so in supervised learning, models are trained using label data. While training the model, the program is given label data, input data, and the expected output result. Supervised learning needs supervision while training data. Okay, just like in a class where a teacher is training, right? Unsupervised is yesterday also we discussed. This is another type of machine learning where models are trained using unlabeled data and only input data is provided to the model. It doesn't need any supervision. Instead, they find hidden patterns in the data. Okay. So today's activity and one more topic is crowdsourcing. Okay, what is crowdsourcing is? It refers to the use of human knowledge and the computer power of a machine to learn interesting patterns. Okay, so we in the internet there is a vast source of crowdsourcing of human input, so that is basically crowdsourcing. So in today's activity we are going to do a sorting hat. Okay, so how many of you have seen Harry Potter? Anybody? Have you seen sorting hat in Harry Potter? Yes. Okay, cool. So today's topic is that, so let's start the training. So what we are going to do in this activity is basically we are going to train with different dialogues of your characters, and we will do the activity where the hat will sort. Okay, who's this character? I'll show you the activity. So you are going to give the dialogues. So by typing. So what sort of recognition is that? If you're giving the dialogues in the text, I mean, sorry, if you're giving the dialogues in the answer section, what sort of recognition will that be? Can anybody tell me which type of recognition I should say? Like, yes, text. Thank you. Add a new project, sorting hat. It's recognizing text. Create. Okay. So can somebody tell me, I need 3 characters, your favorite cartoon character or anything, 3 characters who should say some dialogue so that I can copy paste. Any of your 3 characters, please. Shinchan. Okay, let's do Shinchan. Next. Doraemon. Okay. Chota Bheem. Who's there? I don't know who is it. Naruto, Pikachu. Oh my god. Okay, I got Chota Bheem next, and I don't know who is Luffy, Devasya. So I'm going with Chota Bheem. Okay, I hope it's fine. Whenever you are doing, you can give all your favorite characters. Okay. Done. So I have given 3. Oh my god, so many Naruto fans are there. Okay, got it. Naruto, we have already done Naruto fan player app, like. So now let's go with different characters. Okay, now first we should get Shinchan's dialogue. So I'll just search for Shinchan dialogues. Okay. Those who know any dialogue of Shinchan can tell me, we can train. Any dialogue of Shinchan. Not getting any dialogue. I'm just taking some from Google. Okay, if you know anything, you can give me. Okay, मैं इतना खास भी नहीं. Okay, let us take that. So first dialogue will be any other dialogues, anyone? Not getting any dialogue. Let's see. Is there? Action command. Okay, let's go with that. Let's try if this is there. I am not a fan. I don't watch, so I don't know. So I'm just going with that. You guys can tell me if it is wrong. Okay. Make her come on. Okay. मेरा नाम है शिनचान मैं 5 साल का बच्चा हूँ. Is it there? Okay, let's try. Let's do. I need 4 more. Welcome back, Mo. Okay, I think Devasi is a hardcore Shinchan fan because so many dialogues are coming up. Okay, next. We need 8 samples. I need 3 more. Nanako. Okay, fine. Let's go with this. I hope it is there. Naruto, we will come back. Don't worry. Okay, I'm not getting. I need 1 more. So that is not. Oh my god. Sorry, I'll delete then. Okay, give me 3 more dialogues quickly. Not getting any. Buri buri. Okay. One more. Okay, I'm just going with that. Let's go. Okay, let's fix up to here. Let's see whether we can do with 7. Coming to Doraemon. Doraemon fans, go ahead. Tell me the dialogues. Nobita. Okay. Is it a dialogue or are you saying you want Nobita? Doraemon, मेरी मदद करो. I need more dialogues quickly. Let's search. I hope these chords are there, right? Okay, I'm getting something from Ritika. Let's go with that. Oh my God. You guys are so fast. Let me just copy. I'm just adding those dialogues I'm getting, okay? I think there are so many Doraemon fans are there. Very quickly, we are getting dialogues. Two more dialogues or one more dialogue? Okay. Got it, got it, got it. Okay. Next one, which is the last one. Chota Beam, go ahead. Let's go with the Chota Beam dialogues. Laddu. Just Laddu, that's it. No Chota Beam fan. That's it. No more dialogues. Yes, there. Devasi is typing big, big sentences. That's good to know that. Okay. So whichever character you want, you can give the dialogues, okay? I'm just taking it from there, okay? Naruto fans, you can do, okay? I can understand that you guys are Naruto fans, but you can try in your own, okay? So, okay, done. Okay, so we have done the dialogues. Okay, let's just back to project, learn and test, train. You know the process. So whichever character you want, you can add it. Okay, no issues. Whichever character you want, you can do it. Now let's make it. Okay, so next what you have to do is, here we don't have any template as such. You have to draw the character. Okay, so I'm just going to give a background color or a backdrop. You can just do whatever you, whichever background you want, you can do it. I'm going with backdrops. Going with this. And you can draw a, so I am taking the paint option today. Okay, I am going to try painting that. Okay, let's paint. It looks kind of a hat, right? No, we'll start one more time. Sorry. 1 second. We can just draw it one more time. Sorry for that. Okay. It's bad. Sorry, guys. I'm very bad at drawing. I hope you guys are good and you will draw it properly. Okay. Last try, okay? Whatever is coming, we will do with that. We'll fill it with that same color. Done. And we need eyes. Okay. Okay, that's my head. I'm so sorry if it is looking bad. You can draw nicely. And I'm just changing the size to maybe 50. Okay. I'm placing it here. Cool. Okay. Next, what you have to do is we have to start the coding part, right? So I'll show you the coding part. So first is when green flag click, correct? Give the location wherever you want the character to be. Okay, done. Now it will ask, right? Because we are going to get an ask block. So it will ask, give me a dialogue. Okay, give me a dialogue. Okay, now I'll be having that answer part where I can give the dialogue, right? So I can just, okay. So next what we are going to do is whatever is the answer, whatever is the dialogue, you should understand who the character is, right? So it will say, okay, and then come to sorting hat, recognize the text, and it will be answer. Okay, it will say who it is. If you want, you can do one more thing. You can just add a join block over there and say, oh, it is, and it will say who it is. Let's try this. Actually, coding is only this much. It's a symbol coding. So clicking on green flag. So give me a dialogue. So I'll just give a dialogue, which I've done the training. So let's give a dialogue from Shinjan. I'm just giving a dialogue from Shinjan, coming over here, giving it here. Oh, it is Shinjan. It's saying the answer, right? Did you see that? Now let's say something from Doraemon. Oh, it's Doraemon. I'm getting that, right? Can you see how it is recognizing? Okay, last just Chota Beam. Oh, it's Chota Babe. Can you see how it is recognizing? So in this activity, what we have done is symbol coding. It is very easy coding. You can just do it like within 5 minutes, I hope, right? So what we have done here is in your machine learning, we have created any of your favorite characters. You can just add any of your favorite characters. You can add the dialogues of them. Okay, this is a text-based project. And when you come to Scratch, what you have to do is draw a character, or you can make it any character. That is not necessary that it should be a sorting hat. You can add any character, and when green flag click, we will give a location and it will ask to give a dialogue, and then we will say, or we will make it say after recognizing it. Okay, is this clear? Any questions? It's a simple activity, right? I will drink water. Okay. Any questions on this? Anybody? Is it clear for you? Do you want me to explain it again? Anyone? Any questions? All good? Is it clear? Manju, is it not clear? Do you want me to explain it again? What's the question? Those who have questions which is not clear, please ask. Okay, no question. Okay. Anyone else? Any questions? Is it clear for you? So everybody will do these two activities today. One is secret code and one is this one as your homework. Will you do it? Or those who are in the school, are you guys doing this? Yeah? Cool. Good to know that. So now I think I can hand over to Sushma ma'am for the question. And after that, we can do one fun activity in Scratch together. Oh, they are waiting for the quiz. Okay, Sushma ma'am, go ahead.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, just for your information, all of you, I have just one more time, I have put up the attendance link. Please make sure all of you have filled in the attendance. Okay. And to remind you one more time, we have a doubt session every day from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if you have any doubts or any queries while you're doing your assignments, you can please join the session at 7 p.m. and our teacher will be there to guide you with the things. Okay. All right. Give me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen. All right. Just one moment. Yeah. Yeah. Can you all see my screen? Ma'am, is my screen visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, consider the below picture. Okay, what happens to the sprite when it hears the word called speak? Okay, we did that secret code activity just now, where all these code blocks, madam had just put up, and when she used to say hotel, the sprite used to go to the hotel. So similarly, what happens to the sprite when it hears the word speak? Okay, so it's like, yeah, the sprite goes to the church, the sprite goes to the park, sprite goes to fire station, or sprite will not do anything. Okay, so what is the correct option over here? Yeah, the sprite will not do anything is correct. Okay, because it is hearing the word called speak. Okay, great. Okay, all right. So under which category you can create your own block in Scratch? Under which category? No, not variable. Under which category you can create your own block in Scratch? We created our own block. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday we created our own block. Okay. That was in my blocks, right? That was something called my blocks in Scratch, the pink color block. Yeah. So here is the next one. Consider the below speech recognition code. What block is needed to make the AI machine to listen in this code? Okay. So this is the code that we wrote. And what is needed? See, he says, where should I go? And after that, what block we should put in order to for him to listen, okay, to what? To the answer. So it's like no block is required. Say block is used in wrong place. The machine learning start listening block, or glide 1 second to random position block. Any answers? Which is the correct one? So he asked, right, where should I go? Okay, that the spy is asking, like, where should I go? And after that, when we say something, so by using which block, he's going to listen to our answer. Very good, Ganesh Sharma. Very good. Okay, so the answer is C. We should have a machine learning start listening block. Okay, this black color kind of block will be there in machine learning. In the from the machine learning blocks, we need to put start listening block. Correct, correct. Okay. Yeah. Dash technology allows us to communicate with computers by speaking to it. Yeah. So this is quite simple. Yes, the question in the question itself, part of the answer is there because communication has something to do with speaking. Yeah, so it is like it is speech recognition. Correct. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, Google Home, Amazon Echo, Siri are the applications of which of the following technology? Image recognition, speech recognition, text recognition, or voice recognition? It's actually speech recognition. Okay. So this all Google Home, Amazon Echo, Siri, they are the applications of the speech recognition. Okay. So they actually find out what we are saying, the words that we are saying. Okay. So the B is the correct answer. Speech recognition is correct. What is voice recognition? The machine tries to identify the user's voice. Machine converts the speech to text. Machine converts the text to speech or none of the above. What is voice recognition? Okay, I'm getting mixed answers over here. Okay, A is the correct answer. Yeah, machine tries to identify the user's voice. Okay, A is the correct answer over here. Okay, so because it's voice recognition, so it tries to identify the user's voice. Here is the next one. Consider the below picture. What happens to the sprite when it hears the word church? Okay, now what do you think will happen when what should be the answer? Like he heard the word church, what was the spy doing in secret code activity that we did just now? Yes, somebody said B. Yes, yeah. So sprite goes to the church is the correct answer over here. Okay, Ganesh is correct. Yes, yeah. So when he hears the word church, okay, the sprite goes to the church. That's the correct answer, right? Okay. Choose the properties which are true about speech recognition. Converts a voice message into a text format, able to identify a person's voice, can act as a translator, all of the above. Yes, Ganesh is correct here. Okay, so the answer is all of the above. Okay, sorry. Yeah, yeah. So speech recognition does all of the above things. It converts a voice message into a text format. It's able to identify the person's voice. It can act as a translator. Okay, all of the above is correct over here. Which of the following works using speech recognition technology? Is it like wireless Bluetooth speakers, an automatic door, the face lock, or Google Home or Siri? Yes, yes. Okay, anybody else? Uh, yeah, come on, give me more replies. More. I want answers from more people, many more people. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's good to see. Okay, yes. So Google Home or Siri, as we have discussed before also, and Madam also told during the session. So this is an example of speech recognition technology. Okay, Google Home or Siri. Okay, so here the automatic door just has got sensors and all, so it doesn't really require any speech recognition technology. The face lock and all those will have the image recognition. Okay, so wireless Bluetooth speakers, they will only use the Bluetooth technology. Okay, so the last one is the correct here. Google Home or Siri? How does an AI device or machine recognize speech and work? Okay, so yeah. How does an AI device or a machine recognize the speech and work? It hacks our computer, it accepts data in the form of speech and trains itself, then creates a model. It hacks our brain, or none of the above. It's quite straightforward answer. Yes. Okay. So B is the correct. It accepts data in the form of speech and trains itself, then it creates a model. That's the correct answer. Okay. Next one coming up. So what is supervised learning? Yes. Yes. Again, Ganesh is correct. Okay. So supervised learning is training the machine using labeled data. Okay. Training the machine using labeled data is called as supervised learning. Correct. Yes. Yes. Okay. Moving on. Thank you very much for the good responses. Okay. I want more participation today. Okay. More. Can I expect answers from more people over here? Okay. So choose the correct one, which is true about unsupervised learning. So training the machine using labeled data and supervision is required while training. So this should be true for supervised learning, right? Training the machine using unlabeled data and no supervision. Training the machine by programming, or none of the above. Which is true about unsupervised learning? Yes, yes, Ritika. B is the correct answer. Okay, very good, very good. Payal also said B. Yes, yes. So B is the correct answer. Yes, what is crowdsourcing? Using humans' knowledge and a machine's computing power to learn interesting patterns, using machines' power to create interesting patterns, using humans' knowledge to create patterns, or none of the above. Okay, very straightforward. Yeah. Okay. Yes, yes. So the first one is the correct. Okay, crowdsourcing is using humans' knowledge and a machine's computing power to learn interesting patterns. Okay. Yes, Tanu. Yes. Sudhanshu. Yes, that's correct. A is correct. Okay. Under which category you can find the join block in Scratch? So where is the join block in Scratch? Where can you find the join block? Looks, operators, motion, or sensing? No, no, A and B, looks and operator. Okay. No, okay, looks is not correct, but operators is correct. Yeah, B is correct. So join block is found in operators is correct. Yes, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is a long one. Hold on. Yeah, John answered the question with his name. Okay, what will be displayed after he types in his name? Okay, so you look at the code block. So when the green flag is clicked, there is a say block. Okay, I'm using the join block the best for 2 seconds. Okay, and then he asks, what's your name? And wait. Okay, yeah. So look at the blocks. It's like two join blocks together have been used, and the answer block is put up in between, and then there's an exclamation mark. The exclamation mark you have to notice. So which is the correct answer? A, B, C, or D? Yes. Okay. Yes. So it is B is correct. Okay. Hello, John. And then there will be an exclamation mark. Okay. You can see in the say block, there is an exclamation mark here. Yeah. So it's hello, John. And then there'll be an exclamation mark over here. That's the correct answer. Then moving on. Yeah. So this is another big one. Hold on. Consider the below image. What happens when we press the green flag and give the reply as I like to move it in the answer box. Okay, now with the sorting hat, you took the characters, right? In the same way, like Chota Bheem, Doraemon, and Siachen here, the different characters are there, like King Julian, Alex, and Marty the zebra. Okay, so when you say something like I like to move it in the answer box, if you type this, so it will, the sorting hat will find out to which category, like who are you actually. So can you see, I don't know if it's very clear to you. Okay, yeah, I got the correct answer already. So you can read it, I think. Right, right. So I like to move it. Move it is a dialogue of whom? It's a dialogue of King Julian over here. So the sprite says you are King Julian. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for your responses. Yes. Tanu, Sudhanshu, Ganesh Sharma. Yes, very good. Correct. Yes. Payal. Okay. So the sprite says you are King Julian is correct. Now there's one more like that. So consider the below image. What happens when we press the green flag and give the reply as I like to dance in that answer box. Okay, it's saying I like to dance. Okay. Now, okay. So do you think in any of the three of these labels there is I like to dance? Okay. So what will the answer be? So if you can read this, okay, so what will be the answer? The sprite moves randomly. It says you are King Julian. It glides to random place or it remains still. The sprite remains still. Very good, Manpreet. Yes, yes, Ganesh again. Okay, Ganesh is giving most of the answers. Okay, I want to clap for you. Okay, so D is the correct answer here. The sprite remains still. All right. Okay. Yeah, because nobody is saying that it's not nobody's dialogue that I like to dance. Okay. All right. Now, why the sprite is not doing anything when we give the answer? Okay, here. Why is it not doing anything when we are giving the answer? Okay, what is missing over here? Okay, there is no error. We should give the answer that is given as example during training. There is no answer block which is used and none of the above. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, yes, thank you for the response. So, the answer block should have been used over here. Okay. Because whatever is the answer that, like, whatever is it recognized as, no, that it should be used in the say block. Okay. So, we should basically use the answer block over here. So, that which is not used, it is missing. Okay. That's correct. Okay. Now, again, one more question. How many types of machine learning are there? Okay. Quick answers now. Okay, okay. Yes, Devas. Yeah. Okay. All right. So four types of machine learning are there. Very good. Correct. All right. Okay. So choose the applications of supervised learning. Text categorization, signature recognition, face detection, all of the above. Which is the correct answer here for supervised learning? What do you think? Only text characterization, only text categorization is supervised learning. Why signature recognition? It's an image recognition, right? So why not image signature recognition or face detection? Okay, so the answer is D. Okay, yeah. Answer is D over here. All of the above are the applications of supervised learning. Okay, right? Yeah. So text categorization is the one which recognizes text. Signature recognition is something which recognizes images. Face detection. Okay, again it recognizes image. So all of the above is correct here. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So thank you for your responses. Okay. It was wonderful. Okay. Yeah. The answer was correct in the last question. Yes. Yes. Manpreet. Okay. Yeah. So it's very nice to see many people responding here in the quiz. Okay. So it's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So, ma'am, you can take up. Okay, okay. You want attendance one more time? Okay, yeah. So I'll put up the attendance over here. Yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, you can take up, ma'am. And there is also one more thing that I would like to tell that the all the recorded sessions. Okay, you can watch and you can complete all your activities by referring to that. Okay, I'll also put up the all the previous or recorded sessions link here. So putting up the attendance one more time for you guys. You have to fill it only once. Please make sure that you fill in the attendance only once. So I have sent the attendance link for both the students as well as the teachers. Okay, so yeah. So here I'm putting the yeah, the all the recorded sessions link I am just putting. So please refer to these videos. You can watch it again and then you can complete your activities. Hold on. Okay. Over to you, ma'am. Okay. Just hold on.
Thank you, ma'am. So, how was the quiz? Everybody enjoyed? I can see there are like lots of participation for the quiz. Hope all have done like had a good time over there. Good job on that. Big congratulations. Yes. Okay. I think Ganesh was like even before ma'am is putting question, the answer was coming. Good job on that. Okay. Okay. So now we have some time. We will do a fun activity. Are you ready for that? Do you want to see maybe a fun activity? Yes. Okay. So for that, I have to open. I'll show you one activity in Scratch. Okay. But I need to keep my camera closed over here. Okay. So I'm just putting my camera closed. Okay. And I'll share my activity 1 second. So yesterday we discussed about the activity like how we can do the uh, video sensing part, right? So this is one activity in that. Mm, okay. How many of you like the character minion? Anyone? Those who know the character minion? So I'm just sharing my screen. Yes. Okay. So this is a minion activity. I'll show you the activity. Okay. So you can see the minion is falling down, right? And when I am moving, he is going up. I'm trying to save him from falling down. Did you see that? How I am moving? I am moving my hands. I am moving my head. Oh no, he fell down. So, shall we do this? Yeah, is this fun? Entertaining? Do you want to do this? Do you want to try this? If you're not saying anything, I'm not going to make you do this. Do you want to try this? You can actually make this with any character as you wish, not only minion. You can see me over there, right? With Scratch. So that is the activity. So let's do it. Cool. So I'll just delete the code at the beginning so that I can just explain to you what this is. Okay. So in the backdrop, you can see there is a sky, right? So that is my backdrop. And then my minion is over here. Can you see the minion? So there are two costumes for the minion. One is this and one is this parachute kind of costume. Okay, so in this first, what we have to do is, as I told you, you can see me along with the background, right? So what you have to do, the extension which you have to use here, you have to come to this blue box at the bottom, click on this video sensing. You remember this because this is what we have used in our Shy Panda activity, right? So video sensing, it is added. So you can see the video sensing block, right? After that, I'll show you one more thing. See, yesterday I was explaining to you about the video transparency and all. You remember that? I told you if you put video transparency to 0, I'll show you what happened. Can you see? There is no sky. You can just see me, right? Now, if I'm putting 100, it's only sky. You can't see me, right? So I am putting 70 so that you can see me as well as sky. Hey guys, right? Okay. So this video transparency block is from video sensing. After that, let's start the minion. So minion is having two costume. Okay. So one is the normal costume which he is going to fall down. Second is this with the parachute, right? So let's start the code. So first code is when green flag clicked, right? So when the green flag, because whenever we do programs in Scratch, whenever we are starting is when the green flag is clicked, right? So when green flag click, first thing what we have to do is to give the location for the minion, right? From where he should come. That's the first thing. So go to motion, take this, go to X and Y block. Okay. So I want my minion to come from anywhere on the top, right? Anywhere on the top. He can be from here, he can be from here, he can be from here. So anywhere on the top. That is, he is moving horizontally, right? Like anywhere on the top. That is, your X value is changing, right? When you do the position, X is horizontal, Y is vertical, right? So your X value is changing. So what I'm going to do is go to operator, put this pick random, put it here. I'm placing minus 200 to 200. Okay, now I'll show you. See, can you see whenever I'm clicking green flag, he is somewhere on top, right? Can you see that? Done. Next, he should fall down, right? So can you tell me which value should I change to make him fall down? X or Y? No, Payal, it's not like not X. Okay, it is Y. Okay, we have to change Y because I told you vertically coming down means we have to change Y value. Okay, so it is Y value. Now, what will happen is we should do it not only one time. We have to keep it like make it happen like forever because not only one time he should fall down. So take a forever block from control, okay, and then motion, scroll down, change Y by 10. Okay, but he is coming down. That means we have to change by Y by a negative value, -3. Yes, Manpreet, drink water. Change Y by -3. That is, he is coming down. Now, while this minion is coming down, which costume he should use? He should use this costume or with the parachute? Which one? Which costume should the minion use? While he is coming down, he is going to fall down. So which costume? Why I'm not getting any answer? One or two? One is this costume, two is parachute. What do you think? Which costume should we use? Why I'm not getting any answers? After quiz, everybody is tired. Okay, we will keep it switch costume to minion 1. So minion 1 is this costume, normal costume. Minion 2 is with the parachute. Okay, so I'm just making this minion 1. So let's see what is happening. Can you see him moving down? Gone. Can you see? Next, what should happen? If I move my hands or if there is a movement, he should go up. Am I right? The minion should go up, correct? So that means we have to check a condition, right? So to check a condition, which block should I use? Which block? Conditional statements means which block you have to use? Conditional statements, which block? No answers. Okay. Conditional statement means you have to use if block, right? So come to the control, take the if block. Okay. So if there is a movement, if there is a motion on the minion, he should go up. Am I right? That is what we are doing, right? So if the movement is like, see, for example, if I'm just moving slightly, he should not go up. I should have some speed over there, right? I should move the hand little bit faster. So there is a condition that is put greater than 50. I'll show you what this is. I'm naming it 30. Okay, take this video motion on sprite. So if video motion on sprite greater than 30 means if there is a change in motion, or if there is a disturbance over there which is little fast, what should happen? The minion should go up. Am I right? So if video motion on sprite is greater than 30, it should move up. Am I right? So how will we do it? We will make, go to control, take a repeat block. Okay, because we should see that difference, right? Now it is going up. So again, which value should I change? X or Y? Minion is going up. So which value should you change? Like X or Y? Not X. Because when he came down, it is Y. So when he go up, it's again Y. Because when he move left and right, it is X. Left and right is X. Up and down is Y. Correct? So repeat 10 and then come to motion. Change Y by 3. Because it is going up, we will put 3 because normal positive value. When you climb up, it should be positive value. Okay. Now, one more thing we have to do. Can somebody tell me? He should not just go up. What should happen to his costume? What should happen to his costume? He should go up in this costume like this? Or what should happen? No answers. He should go up in this costume or with the parachute. While I'm moving hand, he should go up with the parachute, right? So come to looks, switch costume. I'm keeping it over here. So minion 2 is the parachute costume, right? So did you understand what's the coding? So when the green flag click, when you click on the green flag, the minion will be anywhere on the top, right? It can be anywhere on the top. So that is why we are putting go to X and Y block. So it can be here, 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 anywhere. Okay. After that, forever, what should happen? He should come down. So he should come down means we are changing Y by -3, right? So changing Y by -3 means he will come down. Which costume he should do? He should come down in this costume, right? The straight costume. So that is why switch costume to minion 1. Now, if there is a movement, if there is a change in the minion background when I'm moving hand or my head, what should happen? If video motion on sprite greater than 30, what should happen? We have to switch costume to minion 2. That is, he should get the parachute costume, right? After that, we should go up. So we are doing repeat 10, change Y by 3. So can we try if this is working? Ready to check? So I am going to check it. Is it going up? Right? So the character is going up. Did you understand this activity? Any questions on this? Anywhere? Anyone? Actually, you don't have to submit this. This was just an extra activity. Any questions? You can change the character to any character and do this. You can do it this with any of your favorite characters. Is it clear? Good? Okay. Now, activities without sound is very boring. Am I right? There is no sound. It is very boring. So what you can do is you can come to this sound section over there. Whichever activity you want to add sound, you can come it here. Click on this speaker kind of sound. Click on this. There are so many sounds. So if you want to listen to the sound, you can just click your mouse pointer on this purple play button so that you can hear with sound. And if you want a bigger sound like a background noise or song, click on loops. So in loops, it is mostly long songs. I can just make you like with the sound, I'll just share so that you can listen to that. Can you see? I hope you can hear the sound. See, these are the. So when you keep your mouse point on this purple, it will make the sound. So I'm going with this. I'm going with this. So it is added. So you can make it faster, like clicking on the scene. It's becoming faster. You can make it slower. So all these features are available. You can increase the sound over here. You can decrease the sound over here. Okay, you can fade in, fade out. All those things are there. So you can just come to the code. Now, whenever you are doing the code, whenever you want the music to be there, entire activity, what we do is come to green, like when green flag, like take it as an extra block. Okay. If you make this sound, play sound, what will happen is it will play only one time. Say, for example, see, even though my activity is working, the sound is stopped, right? So to avoid that, what you can do is you can come to control, take a forever block and attach it. Now, can you see the sound is getting repeated? Yes. So this is how you can save or like add sounds, right? Okay. Next, what we can do is see. I told you in Scratch, when you do machine learning, that Scratch, we can't share the activity with anybody, right? So what you can do is you can, in this activity, you can share it with anybody. How? You can click on share. Come here, you can see the copy link option over here. Click on copy link. You can just copy this. Okay. And you can share it with anybody if you want. That is how you can share the activity. If you want, I can share this in chat. If you're anybody is interested to want to try this here on your chat, save the minion. You can just try this. Even with phone also, you can try this. You can play it. But make sure you give access to your camera while doing this. Okay. Even in your Scratch activity in the machine learning also, whenever you are doing Shy Panda or whenever you are doing any activity with your camera, please make sure your camera access is given. You can see over here on top, you can see my camera access is given over here. Then only these activities will work. My camera access is given so that I can do this activities. So whenever you are doing, even for your Stripe Panda and all, it will ask. Even today, when we were doing sound-based activities, actually what happens is that when you do sound-based activities, it was asking for my microphone access. So whenever it is popping, like some message is popping up, asking for the microphone access, click on allow so that you can give the access to microphone so that you can record your sounds. Okay? Clear? Is this activity good? It's interesting. Okay, good. Good to know that you like the activity. I'm just stop screen sharing so that I can turn the camera on. Give me a second. Okay. So we have done different activities today. Let me just quickly summarize what all we have done. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. So today we have discussed two important topics. One is speech recognition and voice recognition, right? So speech recognition is that machine will be recognizing what we are saying, like what text it is, not the person. Voice recognition is when in the system is recognizing the voice. Okay, whoever says, if the only that current user can say it, right? That is voice recognition. The honor should be the same. Okay, speeches anybody can say, but the text should be the same. Okay, I hope you remember the code word jim boomba, right? So that you can understand the difference. So we have discussed speech recognition and voice recognition. And which activity did we do in this class? What was the name of the activity? No answers. What was the name of the activity? Which activity did we do? Secret code. Okay, so we did secret code activity. In the secret code activity, what you have to do the training where you have to record any places. So whenever you are doing sound based project, the first thing you have to record is the background noise. So please make sure you record the background noise first without saying anything. Please go ahead with the background noise so that the system can identify your voice from the background noise. Okay, so please make sure you record the background noise. Give some 10 samples if you can so that it will understand. One more thing you have to do is, see, when you are recording this from a room where there is no sound or nothing, and then you are trying this activity somewhere outside where there is disturbance, it will not do properly. So wherever you are doing the training, from there itself you have to make it in scratch and check it. Okay, what confirm, Kritika? Okay, so what we have to do is, wherever you are doing the training, there itself you have to do the making part also. After that, what did we do after giving the code, like church, gas station, hotel? Even you can add stadium also. So which all places you want, you can add. Then we did make the activity in scratch. So while we were doing the activity in scratch, what did we do? What did we do? Whenever you are listening to hotel, the character will move to hotel. When it is gas station, it will go to gas station. So in sound trained, one thing you have to be very careful is, it takes some time to do the training. So it is very important to attach that block, wait until training model is ready, because it will take few seconds to do the training. Okay, that was our first activity, secret code. After that, we learned about supervised learning, where everybody was very much interested to give the dialogues. So we created 3 buckets where you gave the dialogues of Doraemon, Shinchan, and what was the last character? Doraemon, Shinchan, and, oh my god, I'm very bad at this.
Beam, right?
Chota Beam. Thank you so much, Sushma. So we did 3 characters, and then you gave the dialogues of all these characters. After that, what did we do? We made a hat, and in the hat, what did we do? We just gave the dialogue, and that hat will say whoever it is. Like, it was just sorting everything, right? So it is supervised learning. Supervised learning is, we are training the model with label data. We are training it properly. Unsupervised learning is, they are not, like, it is not labeled data or anything, right? So it will try to understand the hidden patterns by itself. Okay, the machine will try to do it by itself. So these are the topics which we have discussed today. Tomorrow we have the next class where we are going to do face detection. Okay, so when you come to this machine learning, when you come here, can you see one pre-trained is written? That is already training is done, those kinds of activities. So tomorrow we'll be discussing on these pre-trained model. Okay, and the activity what we will be doing is, when you move your face, okay, there will be a mask on your face. It will move along with you. That is, it will try to detect your face. Like, for example, I have a mask. Like, in the activity, when I move my face, the mask will come along with me. That is the activity you will be doing today. So it is face detection. Okay, like how, like, you might have these eye detection things and all, or in your phone you have this face lock, right? So when you look at that phone, it will open up, right? How it is working? Because it is detecting your face. That is how it is working, right? So that is face detection. It is detecting your face. So you will be learning how this is done tomorrow. How this face detection is done, that you will be learning tomorrow. Okay, cool. So again, do these 2 activities. Make sure you complete both activities, sorting hat as well as the secret code. Complete the activities, submit that activity, submit your project, do your quiz. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can join at 7 p.m. for the doubt session. Please make sure you are joining. The teacher will be there to help you. You can just join over there. You can ask any doubts and it will be the same Zoom link. You can just join. I hope all of you have submitted the attendance. So you have to submit the attendance only one time. All of you have submitted the attendance, right? Did you all do it? Yes, good job. So you have filled the attendance. One more thing is, If you missed any of the classes, any of the previous classes, or you have any questions, you can watch the previous recordings. So I think Sushma ma'am have already shared the recording link also. So you can just click on that link. You can see all the previous recording, what all activities we have done. You can check the recording and do the activity by your own. Okay, cool. Any questions? Any doubts? Anything you want to share? No? All good. So will you be doing these two activities? Secret code and sorting hat? Manpreet, if you have doubts, then only you need to join at 7 p.m. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Any doubts? Anything you want to ask? No? Kritika is like shaking her head like, no. Okay. No. Okay. So see you all tomorrow, same time at 1:30 p.m. We will be making an amazing activity with face detection. It will be fun for you. So please make sure you are there at 1:30 p.m. Okay. Will you join? Yes? Okay. So see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for all of you to join. Attendance form, ma'am. Attendance form one more time, please. Yes, here you got the attendance form. You can just fill the attendance. Just one time you need to do it. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining. Very much. I'm like, it's very good to see the quiz reactions and how active you guys are. Thank you so much. Expecting the same for the upcoming days. It's just about to end. So expecting the same enthusiasm for the upcoming days. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Have fun. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, we are here. You can just ask us. Okay. Same to you. Have a nice day. So we are winding up. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow at 1:30. Bye bye. Take